Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Quick Tips. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to withdraw USDC from your Phantom wallet to Uphold in 2025. With crypto evolving fast, this process is simpler than ever, but we'll walk through it step by step to keep things secure and hassle-free. Whether you're cashing out for everyday use or just managing your assets, let's dive in. First off, make sure you have the latest version of Phantom Wallet installed on your phone or browser. It's free from the official app stores, and always double-check for updates to avoid any glitches. Once you're logged in, head to your Assets tab and locate your USDC balance. This is where the magic starts. Step 1. Tap on your USDC asset to open it. You'll see options like Send or Transfer. Go ahead and select that. In 2025, Phantom has made this even more user-friendly with quick access buttons. Step 2. Enter the recipient's address. For Uphold, you'll need your Uphold wallet address for USDC. Hop over to your Uphold app or website, find your USDC wallet details, and copy that address. Pro tip: always verify the address twice to prevent any costly mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 3. Input the amount you want to withdraw. Be mindful of network fees, which might vary based on blockchain congestion. Phantom usually shows these up front, so aim to withdraw an amount that leaves you with some buffer. Step 4. Review everything on the confirmation screen. Check the recipient, amount, and fees one last time. If it all looks good, hit confirm and authorize with your wallet's security, like a fingerprint or PIN. Step 5. Sit tight while the transaction processes. In 2025, with faster networks, this should only take a minute or two. Once it's done, jump back to Uphold and refresh your balance. You should see your USDC there. And there you have it. Your USDC is now in Uphold, ready for whatever's next. Remember, stay safe by using official apps and enabling two-factor authentication. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.